Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with BrandsGateway Luxury Dropshipping, my high-ticket product experience. BrandsGateway Luxury Dropshipping offers a platform for entrepreneurs to sell high-end, luxury products online without holding any inventory. It's targeted towards those looking to break into the luxury market or expand their existing online businesses with higher profit margin products. Key features include access to a curated catalog of authenticated designer brands, automated order fulfillment, and integration with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. Their website provides details on their product catalog, pricing plans, and integration options. BrandsGateway emphasizes the high profit potential of dropshipping luxury goods, highlighting the higher average order value compared to traditional dropshipping. They boast streamlined operations, claiming it's an easy way to start selling luxury items without the hassle of inventory management or expensive upfront investments. Availability of specific brands and products may vary, and you can check their website for the latest catalog. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using BrandsGateway Luxury Dropshipping. Setting up my account was surprisingly smooth. Their onboarding process guided me through connecting my Shopify store and selecting my preferred product categories. Navigating the interface is straightforward. The dashboard provides a clear overview of available products, order status, and sales performance. I specifically tested the integration with my Shopify store by importing a few handbags and shoes. The product descriptions and images were high quality, saving me considerable time. Performance-wise, the order fulfillment was efficient. I placed a test order myself, and the shipping was handled directly by BrandsGateway. It arrived within the estimated time frame, and the packaging was premium, reflecting the luxury nature of the products. I also had a quick question about product availability, and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to manage products and track orders. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated order fulfillment, which truly simplified the process. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, which would be convenient for managing my store on the go. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for customizing product listings. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with BrandsGateway Luxury Dropshipping. It provides a valuable service for entrepreneurs looking to enter the luxury market without the significant overhead. That's my overview of BrandsGateway Luxury Dropshipping, my high-ticket product experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.